Prove that 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta. Prove that 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta. LHS is equal to 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cosecant theta plus 1 into cosecant theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cosecant theta into cosecant theta minus 1 by 1 plus cosecant theta. These two gets cancelled is equal to 1 plus cosecant theta minus 1. 1 gets cancelled is equal to cosecant theta is equal to RHS. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. If sin x plus cos y is equal to 1, x is equal to 30 degrees and y is an acute angle, find the value of given sin x plus cos y is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 30 degrees, that is sin 30 degrees plus cos y is equal to 1. Cos y is equal to 1 minus sin 30 degrees. Cos y is equal to 1 minus sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, y is equal to 60 degrees. So which is acute angle that is less than 90 degrees.